Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a personal Microsoft Excel spreadsheet I use to track certain things, and today I was going to show you how to sequentially update essentially the date here in column A. What I'm going to do, besides hand jamming 1 November 2025, 2 November 2025, 3 November 2025, this is a carryover spreadsheet that I use to track my health, and I haven't done the best of keeping it up to date. So today I'm going to show you how to make this go from 1 November 2025 and drag it all the way down. Pretty simple, but if you haven't seen it done before, it's kind of neat. So you can see right now that my cursor is a pointer arrow like it normally is. I'm going to go select the first column here, the first cell, A365, and now you see my cursor becomes the fat white plus. I'm going to drag towards the little cell selector here, and as it gets close, you can see it goes to a thin black plus cross right there. And now I'm simply going to drag it down all the way down that column A. And as I do that, it'll automatically fill the correct date in there. 2 November 25, 3 November 25. You see that little preview box to the right of it. I'm doing it slow so you can see, but we'll drag it all the way down and then let go, and it does it automatically. So 2 November, 3 November, not a huge earth-shattering shortcut, but when you start adding up all these small shortcuts, it really is a time saver, and it does decrease any sort of errors you may make out there. So that's it. Basically, one more time, I'm going to change this to 1 November 2024 to show you. 1 November 24. Select that cell, go up there, drag it all the way down, and it'll follow your lead. It'll go to 2024. Pretty slick. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.